इथिकल हैकिंग के इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद एक सबसे बड़ा जो इंट्रोडक्शन है इथिकल हैकिंग के बारे में, जो टर्मिनोलॉजी क्या होता है, मतलब इसका टर्मिनेशन मतलब किस चीज़ के क्या होता है और कहाँ से क्या अटैक करना पड़ता है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बेसिक कुछ हम लोग इस पीपीटी स्लाइड में जान लेंगे। देखते चलिए क्या क्या है। एक है, सबसे तो बड़ा बात है वर्नबिलिटी। वर्नबिलिटी क्या होता है? ए फ्लो इन द डिज़ाइन ऑफ ए सिस्टम दैट कैन बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड, existence of a weakness or implementation error that can lead to an unexpected event compromising the security of the system. Exploit क्या होता है? A branch of IT system security through the vulnerabilities. A method of taking advantage of a vulnerability could be a script, a tool, or any the other method. Remote exploit. A remote exploit works over a network and exploits the security vulnerabilities without any prior access to the vulnerable system. उसके बाद होता है local exploit. A local exploit requires the prior access to the vulnerable system and usually increases the privilege of the person running the exploit past those granted by the system administrator. 0 day. A 0 day, also known as 0 hour or 0 day. Vulnerability is an undisclosed computer software vulnerability that hackers can exploit to adversely affect computer programs, data, and additional computer or a network. It is known as a 0 day because it is not the publicly reported or announced before becoming the active. 0 day vulnerabilities. A 0 day vulnerabilities refers to a hole in softwares that is unknown to the vendor. This security holes is then exploited by hackers before the vendor become aware and hurries to fix it. This is exploit is called a 0 day attack. ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक। ये सब हम लोग कैसे अटैक करते हैं कोई भी वर्नबिलिटी को, यही सब इसी चीज़ से हम लोग अटैक करते हैं। ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक इज ए ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड used to obtain the information such as a user password or personal identification number. In a brute force attack, automated software is used to generate a large number of consecutive guesses as to the value of the desired data. Phishing attack भी होता है। Phishing is a form of fraud in which the attacker tries to learn information such as login credentials or account information by masquerading as a reputable entity or personal in email, IM, or other communication channel. Payload. It is the part of one exploit code that perform the intended malicious action such as destroying and creating backdoors, and hijacking the computers. Remote accesses. Remote accesses is the ability to get access to a computer or a network from a remote distance. In corruption, pupil at branch offices and telecommunicators, and pupil who are traveling may need accesses to the corporation network. Thank you. There are some cybersecurity basic attacks